Is your Honda Passport screen going black the moment you plug in Apple CarPlay? The vast majority of these black screen issues are actually just handshake errors between your phone and the head unit. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your connection back online. Start by removing the phone from your vehicle list, restarting your iPhone, and performing a hard reset on the infotainment system. If the software reset fails, inspect your cable for fraying and ensure your phone's charging port is free of pocket lint. Always verify that both your iPhone and your Honda's infotainment system are running the latest available firmware updates. Most users solve this with a new Apple-certified cable, but if the issue persists, the USB hub module itself might be failing. Data shows that a faulty cable is the culprit in nearly 2/3 of all reported black screen cases. If you're still stuck, try testing with a different phone to isolate whether the problem is your device or the Honda's USB port. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, don't rush to replace the entire head unit before testing with a known good cable first. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments below. Drive safe.